side now.
Beautiful statues.
Bring all these kids in and hopefully they'll share some of the learnings that they do at school. And we're going to try and catch up with what we come to. So, nā reira ka huri anō ngā mihi kia tātou ko tai mai. Nā reira ka riro ngā mihi engari he mihi anō kia koutou I tai mai I ngā pō. Okay, ka pai, this side now. Ready, go! So Māwaira is one of about 7 verses, but throughout New Zealand we only sing that one verse, mainly because it's how are we going to do anything today together? That's what the big question of it. Māwaira e taurima te marae I wahona e. So how are we going to do whatever we need to do today at this marae?
It's about our mokopuna and procreation and the continuation of our whakapapa.
We have obviously glass blowing furnace here. That's this big machine that's quite hot. Inside is a crucible filled with molten glass. First thing we're doing is heating up some metal rods. The metal has to be hot in order for the glass to stick to it. Obviously we don't want to reach in there with our hands, so we'll use the metal to hold the glass as we're working. Good job, team.
O iho o tāne, hei oranga mo te wairua, te hinengaro me te tinana. Aungie, ui e! Suddenly you end up having a big story that's going to go with it. And that's what takes it from a glass auau to a taonga.
Going to be such a big connection for my whānau. And I know that one day I'll give it to my tamaiti.
You know, Areira, kia tau, kia tātou katoa, kia tā whai o rangi nui ao ko Papatua nuku, me te aroha o io matua, kia tātou te ira tangata, kia puta ki te whai ao, ki te ao mārama, ti hei, mauri ora. Let's go and get him.